open close setup. So that is something that I have, but I believe that it can enhance much further on this part. And it's just a starting, and I believe that we can work together on this part. Okay, let's move back to the topic of today. So over the week of holiday, actually the team is on leave, but actually I'm going on and off by visiting the relative and so on. So I'm also working on some other things. So one of the things that we was reviewing is there's a feedback from a customer that was saying like we need a Telegram agent that actually can feel native and it works, instead of like ad hoc integration at the moment. So what we are we are doing is actually we make it available. So actually now you can actually chat with your AgenticFlow agent via Telegram. So let me show you how. This is my agent. So this is the agent that I connected my AgenticFlow agent already, and then I just say hi. And this agent is actually powered by AgenticFlow as a platform, and it is native. And all you need to do is actually creating a token on Telegram and just paste the token here. And the agent in AgenticFlow can actually working as per normal. Okay. Let me see if okay. He has to answer. Okay. What would you like to do next? New image, cat, portrait. Okay. Can you create an image of a cat riding a bike? So this agent is not only able to chat back and forth, it can also using tool call as well. So whatever that you are currently having in AgenticFlow, for example, like running a workflow or trigger a plugin or doing kinds of like skill and so on, this agent will capable of doing that. And it all interacted via your Telegram agent. And yeah, you can see in here. So the agent is actually going to reply. So you can see this. It is using the plugin AgenticFlow generate image right now, and it's going to kind of like finish in a moment, and then we can actually test that. Okay, so this is the image of a cat riding a bike. So let me click on this one. Right, so as you can see, so it is actually able to use. So this is the demo of like how you can chat with a Telegram agent in this one. And this is still like a new feature. So, but later we are going to add some feature. For example, like you can slap to create a new section, or you can actually doing some stop command, or maybe doing some change command that you are allowing the customer to do. Because we designed the AgenticFlow in the Telegram integration is kind of like a publishing channel. So this publishing channel is allowing you to connect a Telegram agent to your existing AgenticFlow agent. So let me show you how you configure that in your AgenticFlow. Let me switch on this one. Is there any way? Okay, listen, I know is there a more friendly name to the tool workflow or nothing else? Yeah, I think we can actually doing something about that. So at the moment, because we are taking the kinds of like the workflow username, so that is not friendly, but I think we can just easily change it into something like workflow name. So workflow name is going to be something that you define on the top, and I think that is something that definitely we can enhance that easy. So allow me to switch into my AgenticFlow, and I will show you on this one. Okay, this is here, and you will see that there is let me refresh this page first. So I'm in the kind of like activity center, and actually I having some conversation, and actually you see in here there's an anonymous actually, because I was chatting with the agent with like no authentication. So you can click in here and you will see that the agent is actually responding to me. And this is our conversation. So this is how it looks like. So there's someone that asking the agent to do, and agent is doing the tool call, which is AgenticFlow, and this is responding the email back to the user. So that is just, you can control your agent workflow, and this is a similar like just like normal. So how you configure this agent? So you go into the agent workflow in here. So in this one, actually I'm creating an agent, and what I was doing is very simple. I just adding the plugin, which is AgenticFlow generate image, and you can add anything consists of like plugin, MCP, workflow, you name it. But this is not something that I'm showing here. So what you can do is actually you can click on share button over here, and then you click on publishing. So before we were only having AgenticFlow, and also we have some other platform that you can publishing on the web. For example, like chat widget and chat UI. But right now, because we have some platform available, like Discord, we have been that in a while, but I now think that not many people are using that. So right now we are using Telegram. So by having Telegram is also very easily. So you just click on this Telegram and then you follow the instruction, which is, there will be a link here. It will open the web page like this one. It gives you an introduction to developer. But what you need to do is very simple. You just need to go into BotFather. So to get started, you just message the BotFather on Telegram to register your bot.